Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I want to put a bow on my thrifting activity in 2018. And to do that, I thought I would show you my five best thrifted scores in 2018. My 5 best thrifted scores in 2018. So let's see, I brought these out. You might remember I did a video on this. I did a haul on these bowls. Actually, I got I found 4 of them at one time and another time. So I have 5 of these. I think these were $3 each. $2 each, and they are huge pasta bowls, and we absolutely love these, and they are just the best big bowls for pasta. I love them. So that was the first thing on my list of my 5. My next thing was, and they're sitting here on the coffee table, so excuse me, I gotta reach around. Let me get this without tearing everything up. Okay, these balls. You remember I did a story on this, don't let this happen to you. I'll link it somewhere, about my story of buying these thrifted, these balls. I had seen some of these balls at a thrift store in town and decided, you know, I don't need any more blue and white. You know, I always talk about cutting down, and I'll cut down on the blue and white for like 2 months, and then I'm back at it again. Anyway, I'd seen some of these at the thrift store, and I passed them up. And I thought about it, and I went back to get them, and they were gone, of course. So I went on to eBay, and I was able to get these 4 balls on eBay. So as I said, I forget, $1 or $2 I paid for these. So these are some of my favorite. I love these things. I just saw a few more on Craigslist, and I was thinking of picking those up too, but I don't know. We'll see. You know, the place where they are on Craigslist, it may not be worth the ride. So I think the lady had 3 of them, and they were, ouch. They were $10, I think, 3 for $10. So I don't know if that's a great buy. Anyway, that's those. I had to make a list of my things because I was thinking, okay, what did I pick up that really stood out to me? So my pasta dishes, my blue and white balls, my shoes, these boots that I got. Kelsey Dagger, these were from Goodwill, and I think these were brand new. I've since worn them, of course, and I think these retail for about 100 to 200 bucks, and I got them for, I think, $20. Is it $20? $12? $12? $12. I think they were. Anyway, I love these boots. I did get a chance to wear them several times. They look good with skinny jeans. Any kind of skinny pants, straight leg pants, skinny jeans, or love them. Scored. Let's see what else did I have on here. Where's my tissue? Pasta bowls, my boots, my Audrey Hepburn. Oh my God, my Audrey Hepburn canvas. That thing, it's huge. I have it on the wall upstairs in my room. You know, the room I'm redoing since baby girl moved out. And I painted. I'm still trying to work with what I'm putting in there, but I put the Audrey Hepburn up on the wall, and I love her. It's huge. I don't know, it's like 4 feet by 4x4, something like that. But it's a huge Audrey Hepburn on canvas. I'll insert a picture because I didn't want to bring it down and take it off the wall and bring it down here. But that would be my fourth piece. And my fifth item, which are really two items, are these white lamps that I got from, I think I got those lamps from Goodwill too. White lamps, cleaned them up, bought some new shades. Actually, I think I took some shades from another place in the house and put them on there. And they're in the master right now. And two white lamps that I got. I know I hauled those in a video, so I'll just have to find that video. But those lamps I love. So those are my 5 pieces. Those are the 5 things that I thrifted in 2018. And if I had to rank them from my favorite piece in order of 1 to 5, 5 being my highest or my most favorite, I would say, let's see, got the white lamps, the blue and white balls, the pasta dishes, the boots, and the Audrey Hepburn canvas. I would say oh, the blue and white balls, it was such drama to get those. All right, 1. Pasta dishes, 2. White lamps would be 3. It's a toss-up between my boots and that Audrey Hepburn on canvas. So I'm going to say Audrey's number 4 and my boots are number 5. Okay, so, or if I had to reverse this rank, it would be blue and white balls, pasta dishes, white lamps, Audrey Hepburn, and my most favorite thrift of 2018 would be my Kelsey Dagger boots. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna rank it. That's how I'm gonna rank it. So these are my favorite thrifts of 2018. What was your favorite thrift for 2018? Did you have one? Could you rank them? If you can rank your favorite thrifts for 2018 or your top 5 favorite thrifts from 2018, rank them and consider this a tag and let me know what your top 5 thrifts were for 2018. So anyway, I thought that was fun. I'm looking forward to another year of great thrifts in 2019. So thank you guys for riding with me. I appreciate you so much for supporting my channel. And snowy and icy outside. So be careful out there, but have an awesome, awesome day. Bye guys.